Hello everyone, my channel Error Solution. Today I am discuss part 61 Laravel 11 search with join method join to more table. And this is my official website www.errorsolutioncode.com. Let's start this video. First of all, my jump server already started Apache and MySQL, and this already run localhost PSP. My admin inside this real estate underscore Laravel underscore 11 this database name. This database name inside this is a list of table is available. Let's step by step this video. First of all, my jump folder inside this available htdoc folder inside this project. This project is open inside this cmd means command from this directory inside this command from open php artisan server. This URL is a copy and hit this my browser. Successfully working good. Let's slash admin login successfully working fine. This is a good working. Let's admin credential is available. This user inside this available admin and password is a 123456. Copy paste password is a 1234567889 and click this login and not now. Successfully login, please wait. Successfully login good. Let's click this order inside this implementation. This is a join query is available order and this quantity and this order table is available. This click this order inside this is product means product id. This is a product is this is 4 and 1. This is a join query is 5590 and this join query is already available, but this is a not available search box. Let's implement this search box. First of all, this file is open resource view admin order inside this list file, and this file is available. Save file inside this step by step implementation. First of all, row is a create. This is a row is a create successfully. This is all div is a step by step is a create. Div is a create. This all div is a create. Inside this search start and inside this end save file. Let's S6 source order save file. Let's check this, refresh this page. Successfully this is available search order. Let's next is this search box is order is a set. Next is form is get form is close this form. This 3 div is a create. This 3 div is a close. This first div inside this second div and last is a third div. Third div is a create. First of all, this id is a implementation. This id is a successfully implementation this id. Next is a product name. Please writing this id. Successfully shared this. First of all, this is a id is a implementation this id. Let's refresh this page. Inside this id, but this id is a shared this id. This id inside this is a implementation. Good. Successfully shared this search box. Click this user and this order. Please order inside this search box is a implementation. This all successfully shared this navbar. Row form and this class is a implement, class is a card title. Card title is set, and refresh this page, and inside this design is a successfully implementation good. Next is a implement, this is a copy, same here copy, otherwise inside this paste here. Second is a product name, is product ID, same here copy and paste here. And second, this name is a product name, this title, let's say copy title and paste here. Inside this title, this is a title, and product title, and this is a inside the same here copy and paste, save file, and this product title is a implementation good. Successfully product title is a implementation. Let's refresh this page, and this is available. This second is a product title. First of all this ID, second is a product title, means this product title means this name is a title, same here, this same, this title, less big, this is a 5, this 4 and 4, save file. Let's refresh this page. This input box is not a big, let's remove Z, control Z, and this name is a 4 and this 4, save file and refresh this page. Successfully this is a big, this column is a big, this title inside this big. Let's last is a set, this created and updated date is a set. Let's 2 is a successfully set, let's 2 is a implementation, same here, this is a 3 is a good, and this same here paste here, this created date and updated date is a implementation, means start date and end date. Successfully this is a created date and end date, means start date and end date is a implementation. Please writing this file step by step, writing this file, all successfully implementation successfully set. Let's refresh this page, successfully inside this is available, start date and end date is available, good working. Let's last is a inside this new button is a implementation, and this is a spelling mistake. Let's spelling mistake means created date, let's created date is a implementation, this created date, and this is name is a send, this start date remove, inside this is available, this name is a created date. Let's save file, created date. Next is a updated date, same here copy and paste here, update date is a set, update date, same here copy and paste here, update date, and inside this name is a sense, this name is available, same here copy and paste here, update date. Successfully set. Let's next is a new button is a implementation, save file. Inside this new button is a set, 2 button is set. First of all this div inside this, first button is a submit button, next button is a tag, inside this class btn danger, and this reset, and inside this URL is a set, this is a URL, inside this br tag, implement br tag, and this is a URL set, save file. Let's copy the same here, copy and paste here, save file and refresh this page. Successfully available, this reset, click this reset, same here reset, good working, that's fine. This successfully set, this ID, first is ID, this is product title, this is a created date and updated date, this is a implementation. Let's title means small is a words is a good. Let's please writing this file successfully, all writing this file, good working. Let's same here copy this copy and web.php open route inside this available web.php and find this successfully. This is available this id, copy and this inside this find order controller open order controller inside this function is available. This is good, this function is available. Let's copy same here and paste here request. Let's order model is open model. This is a model is a successfully open this model, this order model, and this order model inside this is a controller is model table is available. This is a order table, good working. This inside this already join query is already implementation. Let's same here copy this inside this dollar request is a pass here. This request is a same pass. This inside this request already pass here this request and this pass here. If source start and source end source start and end. If is empty request get, this request is already implement. Same here copy and paste here. This open this list. First of all this id is a copy, this copy id and paste here. $return is equal to $return where the same here copy and paste here dot id, this database id, control z dot id, and this is equal to the same here copy and inside this is a paste here and close this. Successfully set this. First is this order table inside this is id is available this id. Next is the product id is remove, not use this product id. Same here open. Let's if is empty request get, this name is the same copy, this copy title paste here. $return is equal to $return where this name is a copy, same name is a product inside this available title. Product model is open, product table is open, not a model. This scope open, copy this title and paste here. Copy this title and paste here successfully. Inside this like query is a implementation, otherwise not working fine. Let's like query like percentage percentage save file. Same here copy and paste here, save file. Successfully implementation. Last is a 2 is available, created and updated date. Same here copy and paste here, only created and updated date set. Copy and paste here, and this inside this is available this copy. Same here copy created date, copy and paste here, created date, created and created, and this is a copy. Sorry, my mistake, inside this created only to copy, one copy. This copy created 8 paste, and this model remove. In this model is a order model. Same here copy and paste here, and this updated date is a set, this update add and this update add. Successfully save file, and this is a good working. This order and this product title means join query is already implement. Product ID, title and product ID successfully set. Please writing this file. Successfully all good. Please writing this file. Any doubt, so please contact this my official website. Error solution code, Telegram, WhatsApp and Skype is available. New project development, so please contact me anytime. State inside this is available. Lost of project, please download and this very low price. And this my channel error solution, please subscribe and click the bell icon. Inside this social media link is available, please follow this link. Let's refresh this page. Successfully page. Let's inside this for one is available. Less 99 is add and this is search in this 4 and 1 is available. This is not available. Less only one is a set 1 and search 1 and this is a search. Successfully 1 is available. Good working. Less 4 is a search successfully 4 is available. Please wait. Good working. Let's reset. Inside this join query is implement inside this set. Good working. Let's inside this number is a copy, name copy and paste here and search. This search and successfully this single name is a search. Good working. Let's inside this error. This number is implement and search and this is not found. This record is not found. This title. Good working. This is fine. Same here. Date is working. Good. This created date. Let's this date is 7717. This search only this single record is a search. This successfully set and this other date is implement. This is not search. This date is a search and this is not allowed, means record is not found. This good. Successfully good and this is a successfully set. Last is update 8. This last is update 8 set. Let's click this and this 22.7. This 22.7 search. This is our only single record search. Working fine. This is a good and this reset successfully. All record is set and this only Vivo mobile and Oppo mobile. Unless mobile is a copy and paste here and search this only mobile and this search. Please wait. Successfully 2 entry search. This is a 2 entry is a search. Successfully 2 entry only Vivo implement. So this only Vivo, not a 2 entry. This search only Vivo mobile. This is a good. That's fine. Successfully working fine. Please writing this file. Inside this join query, this join this order table. This is a order product table. In this is a order ID. Inside this is available this product ID. This is a ID is available. This video is done. Any doubt, so please contact any time. Thank you for watching my video. Thank you.